everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting three popular drones to the test: the DJI FLIP, DJI NEO and also the FIMI Mini 3. We are going to compare their return to home functions and more importantly their precise landing capabilities. So guys, which one will nail the landing every time? Let's find out. First, let's quickly introduce our contestants. The DJI NEO, known for its compact design and advanced flight features. The DJI FLIP is the latest in DJI's lineup, is a versatile drone with a unique folding mechanism, perfect for travelers and vloggers. And the FIMI Mini 3 is a budget-friendly option that promises great performance for its price. All three drones claim to have reliable return to home and precise landing functions. But how do they actually perform in real-world conditions? Let's test them out. To keep things fair, we are testing all three drones in the same location with the same conditions. We've marked a landing pad with a clear target to measure how accurately each drone can return and land. The landing pad measures 55 times 50 centimeters and we'll be testing each drone 4 times to ensure consistent results. We'll be testing two key features: return to home, how well the drone can navigate back to its takeoff point, and precise landing, how accurately it can land on the exact spot it took off from. All drones will fly to a height of 20 meters, travel a distance of 100 meters, and then manually activate the return to home function at a set height of 30 meters. Let's see how they perform. First up is the DJI NEO. This drone uses GPS and visual positioning to navigate back home. Let's see how it handles the return to home and precise landing. After 4 tries, the NEO landed 70 centimeters to 1.8 meters away from the landing pad. While it's not the most precise, it's still within a reasonable range for most users. Next up is the DJI FLIP. This drone also uses GPS and visual sensors, but its folding design might affect its stability during landing. The FLIP landed 3 times at the edges of the landing pad and once about 30 centimeters away. It's a mixed bag, but it's clear that the FLIP can get close to the target even if it's not always spot on. Finally, the FIMI Mini 3. This drone is the most affordable of the three, but does it deliver on its promises? Whoa, the Mini 3 absolutely nailed it. During all 4 tries, it landed just a couple of centimeters away from the center of the landing pad. That's incredibly impressive, especially for a budget-friendly drone. It's clear that FIMI has done an excellent job with their precise landing technology. Now let's compare the results side by side. The FIMI Mini 3 is the clear winner in precision, landing almost perfectly every time. The DJI FLIP came in second, with mixed results but still managing to land on or near the pad. The DJI NEO landed the farthest way, which is surprising given its advanced features. So which drone should you choose? If precision is your top priority, the FIMI Mini 3 is the clear winner and it's the most affordable option too. The DJI FLIP is a solid choice if you value portability and don't mind the occasional off-center landing. As for the DJI NEO, while it's a great drone overall, its precise landing performance was a bit disappointing in this test. Let me know in the comments which drone you would pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next drone showdown. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care guys.